They were here, I think that actually,
on time.
They were actually outside waiting
Yeah,
to
they
start.
were.
And at 7 o'clock, knocked on the door and said, hey, we're ready to go. The Saturday night, they were done. So it was from Friday morning, I mean, it was incredible how fast they came in and got it all done.
Since we got the turf in, they've been out here every day playing. Definitely the hot spot of the neighborhood. They had a party next door, the pool party, and they were all going to come to the turf and play sports and everything else. So it's really fun to see them all enjoying it.
Absolutely, I'd recommend 365 Custom Turf. From their design, their professionalism, work ethic. I mean, they were on time and just love it. We couldn't thank you guys enough.